Good.
Okay.
Read the instruction.
In previous lessons, we learned that in an arithmetic sequence, the average is equal to the median.
Average equal to the median. Keep going.
So just get the median interval, get the average. Okay, for this one, the middle is 16 plus 40 divided by 2.
Yeah.
To equal 40, then divided by 2 is 20.
Yes.
But this one, there are 2 words on this and 2 words on this, so there's 20 here.
Yes.
There are 3 words here and 3 words here, so there's also 20.
Keep going.
Okay. So...
2.
Okay, so
first you see the
what?
So actually you find the rules. Actually it also equal to the first one plus the last one divided 2.
Oh, so this one plus this one equals 40.
Yes.
Divided by 2 is 20.
Yes. See? You find the rules.
Oh.
Okay, keep going.
What is the average of the arithmetic sequence below? Add them up, so it's 180.
What's the average?
90, so it's just 90.
Yes, keep going. Easy.
Wait a second.
Same.
Oh yeah, we add both of it, which equals...
Yes, same.
Oh, it equals to 180.
Yes.
So... how many terms are there?
Don't need to think about how many numbers. How many terms are in sequence? You know what is terms?
Terms means these are terms.
Number. How many numbers?
Yeah.
Easy. See this what the difference? Difference is 8. Difference is 8. What's this difference?
100. Actually, it's I think it's 144. So it's 8 times 144 divided 144.
144 divided 8.
Like this.
18,
right?
So there is 18 difference. How many numbers? How many numbers?
140.
How many terms?
144.
What does terms mean?
Numbers inside the sequence.
Yes, how many numbers? The difference is 8 and there's 18.
So it's 18.
$18, 26. The difference is how many? What's the difference?
8.
8. So 8 divide 8 equal to 1. How many terms? How many terms in this sequence?
2.
2. So you need to understand, for example, this means the first number, second, and all number, and the last number. So for any sequence, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, how many? See?
2.
The 2. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 8 divided 2 equal to 4.
Okay.
It means the difference is, this is 4 difference. Okay. So how many numbers?
5.
Yes.
Okay, so there's 19.
Yes. Yes. Take a look at the. Okay. Convert the terms to a sequence consecutive integer. Or if you want to use this solution. Okay. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
She just subtracted 10 from A1 and divided the terms by 8.
Yeah. You can use this
it.
solution. Okay.
What is the sum of all of terms?
How to calculate the sum?
Well, there was 180 and there are 19, so it's first 680 times 9. So it equals
180 times 9. How do you get this 180?
from those two added together, these added together.
What times 9?
Because there are 19 numbers. So we need to make them the biggest pair. So the biggest pair was 18.
And yeah, keep going.
Okay. So it was 180 times 9. And what was the middle number?
Yeah, this is the question. So actually, you don't need to do this. Do you know that you forgot what I told you yesterday? For example, this is the sequence.
Yeah.
Do you remember? So if the sequence you want to get sum, copy the sequence, reverse this sequence. So this means two sequence.
Oh.
All this plus. This means two sequence.
Oh.
Two sequences. So each one is 180. How many numbers? 18 numbers.
Yeah.
Then divide 2. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So this is 90. So it means 90 times
19.
90 times 90 times 19. Do you understand my solution?
Oh yes.
Yes.
So it's 1,710.
Yes, sir. Take a look at the solution. Actually, it has the average. You already got the average. Average times the number of the sequence is the same. Keep going.
That was much simpler.
The
middle term of it, 29th term arithmetic sequence is 34. What is the sum of the first and last terms of the sequence?
The first and the last. Do you remember how to get the midterm? Midterm equal to average.
Yeah.
Average equal to what?
The first and last term added up and divided by 2.
Yeah.
How do we do it?
Sum of the first and the last. You just say the average equal to the sum of the first and the last divided 2.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yes.
The first plus last divided 2 equal to average.
Yeah.
Average equal to the middle term. Is it correct?
Oh yeah.
So what's the sum of the first and last? Ask this is the question. The sum of the first and last.
68.
Yes.
What is the sum of terms in a 46 term arithmetic sequence with first term 3 and last term 37?
What's the sum?
Just the sum.
Do you know how to get the average?
Yes.
What's the average?
It's 20.
Do you know the sum of the do you know the sum of terms? What does average mean? Why it is 47? Why it is 47?
Oh, 46.
Do you know what does average mean?
It means that all of the numbers added up, then divided by the sum by the number of numbers.
Yes. So after you get the average, if you want to get the sum, so it means average times. Let me see. Sum divide the number of numbers equal to average.
Okay.
So sum equal to average number of numbers times average.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So when you try to get the sum, you already know how many numbers and the average. So you can get the sum. Keep going.
The number and the average to get the sum. So it was 46 and 20?
Yes.
$920?
Yes.
Find the sum of all 50 terms in a arithmetic sequence that has first term 11 and common difference 20.
Keep going.
Okay. Sum up all. Find the sum.
The first term is 11.
Yeah.
Difference is, what's the difference?
20.
What's the difference? 20. So can you just list two numbers? Can you list two numbers? Give the first two numbers.
11 and 31.
And keep going. Okay. So do you know how to get the sequence? This sequence. How many numbers? 50 terms.
Yeah.
All of this divide, no, minus 10.
Yeah.
So then it becomes 1, 21, 41, 61. Is it correct?
Yes.
Then so this is a sequence. Let me see which one is easy for you. Let me think about how to think about it. It's same for you, easy for you. For example, the first is 11, then it is 31, 51, and 71. Is it correct?
Yes.
Minus 11 equals 0.
20.
20, 40, 60. To which number? To which number? Oh, if you don't know, okay. Don't know, okay. Then this is minus 11. Then divide 20.
Okay.
Divide 20. It becomes 0, 1, 2, 3. To which number?
3. I think it's to 500.
How many terms?
550.
So what's this number?
1050.
How 50? If it's 50, so totally how many number? Totally how many numbers?
51.
Yes, but this is 50
Okay,
terms.
so 49.
This is 49. Is it correct?
Yes.
So first you need to get the sum of this number. Do you know how to get the sum of this sequence?
No.
You already forgot what you talked about yesterday. So if, for example, if this is sequence, so for example, this is n, the sum is n plus times n plus 1 divided 2. Do you know how to get this formula?
Yes.
Can you show me how to get this formula? Can you show me how to get this formula? Give me a moment. 1, 2, n. How do you get that formula? You don't know. Copy the sequence, reverse the sequence. Is it correct?
Yes.
So every stack is n plus 1. How many stacks? N stacks.
Yeah.
So it is every two number is n plus 1. And we have n numbers.
Yeah.
Then because we copied the sequence, so it divides 2.
Oh.
Understand this formula?
Yes.
Can you explain?
We need to reverse the pattern, so every one of them is n plus 1, and there are n numbers, so it's times n. Then because we use them twice, so we need to divide it by 2.
Okay. Now go back to the question. So this is 0, 1, 2, 49. What's the What's the sequence?
What's 49? 38, 1, that's 0. So it's 49 plus 49 divided by 2.
What's the formula?
N plus n, after n plus 1 times n divided by 2.
Yes, is this this
No.
formula? Yeah. So if you use this formula, how to get the
So
number?
it's 50 times 49 divided by 2.
Yes.
So it's 125. It's 49 times 25.
Yeah. Erase all of this. Erase all of this. Yes.
So it was 25 times 49. It's 1225.
This is the what is this? This is the sum of 0 to 49. Is it correct?
Yes.
How do we get this number? This is the original sequence.
Oh.
How can you go back to first one? Go back. We divide 20 in here. So after you get a sequence, what should you do?
Use the times 20.
Yes.
So it's 980 for the second one.
Yes. And we sum in here we minus how many number we minus? Minus 11.
Okay. Minus 11, so it's 991.
How to get the 991?
I don't know.
Each number we divide minus 11. How many numbers?
50.
So how many? What's the sum of the 11? Each number we divide 11 minus 11.
One.
Each number we minus 11.
1011.
Each number we minus 11. So how many numbers? How many numbers?
50.
50. So yeah. Each number we minus 11 and there is 50 numbers. How many number? How many number? What's the sum value we have already minused?
For 550?
Yes. So now what's the sum?
So it's 550 plus 980.
500 minus or what? I think this is too hard for you. Let me change another solution. Okay. It's too hard for you to understand. Let me change another solution. Let me change another solution. The first one is 11.
Okay.
So the second one is 31.
Yes.
The 50. This is the 50 atoms. How many difference between the first and the last?
1000?
This is the first one.
Yeah.
This is the second one.
Yeah.
So this is 2. This is 50. What's this 3 number? The third number is 51. Is it correct?
Yes.
This is first. So how can you get this number? It means the number, for example, this is the number. For example, the third number means 3 minus 1 times 20 plus 11. Do you understand?
Oh, so we can find this double by the
So it means that this is one difference. One difference.
Yeah.
So how many difference between the first and the last one?
49?
Yes. So what's this number?
991?
This number means 49 times 20. Is it correct?
Yes.
Plus 11. Understand?
991.
So this is the number.
Okay.
Do you know how to get the average?
Yes.
How to get the average?
You add them up and divide 2.
Yes. Find the average.
Okay, so just 9 equals 1. It's 1 third. The average is 501.
So right now, how to get the sum of the arithmetic sequence?
501 times 50.
Yes.
So it's so it's 25,050.
Stop. See which solution does it use? They use our last solution.
Oh yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes. What is the sum? So we just add both of them together. And I think it equals 400. Then we divide 2, which equals 200.
But how many numbers in here?
Yeah, okay.
What's the difference?
4.
4. So how many numbers? How many terms?
4, so...
Then you can get the difference.
We minus it?
Yes.
2052.
2052 means how many difference? One difference is 4. How many difference?
So we divide. 63.
63 difference. How many terms?
64.
Yes.
So 64 times 200 is 12,800.
Yes. Keep going.